Hello, trading is closed on April the 18th, 2019. Today we called for the day with the early low, which we got, and we should have a day with the early low when the market resumes trading on Monday. Of course, it doesn't mean you won't gap up first, but for the reasons we'll discuss, I don't think that's going to happen. At a target of 2904.66, this red line, and that printed. During the day, MEJT said all these squiggles were false moves. We get retracements. They all happened except the retracement to 2898.84, and that's the call for Monday. Gapping up smartly kills it before the open. I don't think that's going to happen. Once again, we gapped up, starting to lose count how many days in a row. Here's today. Once again, we gapped up. Once again, we hit a new higher high, couldn't close over any of them. It's a negative pattern. It's only invalidated if we gap and probably trade over this high. We dropped into the close Friday. Usually you get a continuation Monday. Have a lower MEJT target. All these things point to lower prices. The other side of the coin is we traded under all the lows. We closed over all these lows. So that's a positive pattern unless we invalidate it by gapping and promptly trading under this low. So the most common thing is we're going to gap outside the range, and I think the odds heavily favor we're going to gap under this low, or at least gap and promptly trade under it. We've got this rising wedge and already broke through, although we couldn't hold it. We've got a perfectly plausible wave count and resistance. We have all we need for a drop. All we need is confirmation, which hasn't happened yet. Confirmation is gapping under this low. That's what I think will happen Monday, but the only official call is that we see this price unless we gap up. But gapping under this low should be all it takes to start a pretty good drop. And that's today's call.